This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael.amory. This house is made for those who enjoy outdoor amenities like working in the detached garage 25 by 14, gardening, birdwatching, or maybe you want some room to run and play. Our finished sunroom 19 by 11 is a perfect transition from outside into the remodeled kitchen area. The fourth bedroom 12 by 18 can double as a second mutual space with a laundry room 7 by 9. All exterior doors have been replaced. The master bathroom has heated floors. Don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below.